Hi everyone, welcome back. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nasreen and today I'm doing a video on one of my biggest passions, which is staying healthy and fit. One of the best ways to do that is exercise. So I decided to convert one of the extra rooms in my house into a gym. This marvelous idea came to me when I was in nursing school. Between school and work, I had very little time for anything else. I slept like 3 hours a night. I'm not kidding. Anyways, I still wanted to stay fit without having to leave the house. And so I came up with this. Home gyms can be expensive to build. My first workout equipment was the elliptical and bike. It cost $1,000 for both, brand new, but afterwards I realized I could have bought them used for so much cheaper. I started looking around at secondhand stores, Facebook Marketplace, and sales like Black Friday where I bought this smart TV for $120. I also found this workout center on Facebook for $400. A brand new one would have been like $2,000. I love this machine because there's so many different workouts you can do, like the bench press, the pull down bar, leg extensions, leg curls, knee raises, dips, abdominal crunches, dumbbell flies, and rows, just to name a few. I also bought these mirrors really cheap from $10 to $40, and they help me with my workouts so I can see my progress and form. I bought these free weights used from $2 to $5 a piece, and if you buy weights that look old, you can just touch them up with a little spray paint. I also bought this weight rack for $8, and it's kind of funny because I was at the Habitat Restore and I was leaning on it without even realizing what it was until someone pointed it out, and I just painted it up and it works great. Everybody needs music to work out, and I found the speaker at a Black Friday sale for super cheap. Mats are definitely a must-have. They help protect the carpet from wearing out and the floor when you drop a weight. I found these at Ross. They're 4 by 8 feet and they cost $14. I also found this workout bench for $40. And when you look online, it's like $400. There's really good deals out there. You just gotta find them. The only thing I'm really missing in here is something to hold my magazines and my towels because they're just sitting on the floor. Today I picked this up for $2 and I think with a little paint it'll be perfect. Most people think this is a lot of work, but I really enjoy doing these projects. I'm just trying to inspire you guys to get something used and refurbish it and make it look beautiful and use it, put it to use. It came out really nice. Now I'm gonna put my magazines and my towels in there. This is so much better than having them on the floor. Roll up my towels. I just bought these cheap towels at Walmart. Okay. I bought some pink ones to spice it up. Fix them up a little bit here. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? And it's always fun to decorate your gym. Time to change your body. Time to quit making excuses and start being healthy. Start working out more. Give me a little motivation when I'm working out. Bam! That came out pretty cool. What do you guys think? A lot of people say they want to start working out and losing weight, but instead they don't do anything. They say they don't have time, but there is, even if it's 15 minutes. It's time to stop making excuses, change your diet, start a simple workout routine. If you don't like how you look or feel, do something about it. Take a step towards being healthy. Buy some dumbbells, some bands, do some sit-ups. I didn't make this gym all at once. It came together piece by piece. Start speaking positivity into your life. I can do it. I will do it. And then do it. Look, guys, I know it's hard to start working out, but it takes energy to make energy. I hope this video shows you that an affordable home gym isn't that hard to put together. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Now it's time for me to hit a workout.